Hi, everyone. I've created this quick tutorial on exploring and testing templates for your one-page website.
Using Wix, Squarespace, and Webador.
I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can find the perfect design for your project. Let's start with Wix. And here's how you can explore and test the templates. Log into your Wix account and click on Templates in the top.
Menu.
Use the search engine bar and filters on the left to narrow down your options. Try searching for one page or selecting categories like portfolio or landing pages. Click on a template to preview it. You'll see how it looks with sample content. If you like it, click Edit to open it in the Wix editor. From here, you can test customizations like changing text, colors, and images. Next, let's explore Squarespace. Log into your account and click Templates in the main menu. Use the search bar or browse categories like landing pages or personal and CV. Click on any template to see a detailed preview with the sample content. Hit Start with the template name. If you like it, begin customizing it in the Squarespace editor. Test the responsiveness by resizing the preview window or toggling between desktop and mobile views. Finally, let's look at Webador, a great option for beginners. Log into Webador and click Create a new website. Choose a purpose, and Webador will recommend templates. Browse through the suggestions and click on one to see its preview. Select Use Template to start customizing with their easy-to-use editor. Add placeholder content to see how it looks and to test the layout. That's it. Exploring and testing templates is easy once you know where to look. Remember, choose a template that fits your vision and is easy to customize. Don't forget to preview your site on mobile to ensure its responsiveness. Happy building, and I can't wait to see the start of your amazing one-page websites at the next workshop. See you soon.